So thanks for joining us here this morning.
Thank
How did
you.
you come up with the idea?
So it's really born of my own engineering curiosity. My dad was an engineer, and so I've always been thinking about, well, how can things be done better? And so that coupled with, we live in North Texas, me and my family, and hail is a big deal on a yearly basis for about a 6-month period. It's a big deal, the damage that it causes. And so 5 years later, here we are.
After living through it time and again, Siciliano decided to fight hail with air.
The energy of hailstones falling is absorbed by the cover itself. We purposely want deflection. We want some give in the cover.
Testing that meant hours of nerve-wracking fun.
You really don't know what it's going to take until you start dropping stuff on it. And of course, my car was always underneath.
Baseballs as hard as I could.
Pitching machine, 70 miles an hour.
Hey, it works pretty good. I winged the ball at that thing. It bounced right off.
Wow!
My favorite of all time.
Softball size. In cantaloupes.
20 golf balls shot at 80 miles an hour.
Seems pretty legit. I mean,
I was impressed.
The Hail Protector even stands up to wind.
We shot that story in 45-mile-an-hour winds. It was a very windy day, and you can see the device was not blowing around a whole lot.
Yeah, that's a good part of all of that.
It is.
Stopping anything Mother Nature's got to produce.
No shattered windows, no buckled roof, no dented door.
If you're an inventor and you're not, it's all about taking risks, because that's the only way you're going to discover something that has never been done before.
I'm told it's so easy that you have done it in a skirt and heels at work, right?
Yes, absolutely. I put on, the business skirt, and he designed it especially for me to get out there. And you don't have to put your knees down. It's simple, easy to use, quick.
Bouncing right off.